If you love a savory, delicious Italian sub, then these Italian sliders with pesto, provolone, and all the Italian meats are definitely for you. Okay, here's what you're going to need to make these Italian sliders. First, get a package of the King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. A simple 12-pack is for this recipe, but if you wanted to double it up and get the 24-pack for like a party, that would be great as well. Next, you're going to need simple sliced provolone cheese, hard salami. You could also do Genoa salami, pepperoni, as well as Capocolla ham. If you can't find Capocolla, you can always do like a spicy ham or just simple deli sliced ham works great as well. You'll also need some yellow banana peppers. These are also called pepperoncini peppers, just in the jar, as well as a jar of the roasted red peppers. And then lastly, get a jar of pesto sauce. This is going to go on the bottom layer of the sliders, and you can also use it for dipping. Okay, here's what you're going to need for the garlic butter topping. First, you're going to need some butter. You can use either fresh or jarred garlic, Italian seasoning, that's all melted together. And then for the very top part, you're going to sprinkle on just simple grated Parmesan cheese. This is going to add some amazing flavor to the top of the Italian. All right, so first we're going to start with a pack of Hawaiian rolls. We're going to keep them whole, and then with your largest bread knife that you have, serrated works great, you're going to slice them in half lengthwise. So you'll have a bottom portion and a top portion. Next, you're going to add some just simple store-bought pesto sauce. This adds for an amazing base to these sandwiches and adds some great flavor. So you're going to put that on that bottom portion. Next, we're going to add some Capocolla ham, and then we're also going to add some hard salami. You can also use Genoa salami. This is going to add some great savory flavor to these sandwiches. Don't forget that pepperoni. It's amazing. And of course, our provolone cheese. This is going to melt really well and add some amazing texture and flavor to the sandwich. All right, add some yellow banana peppers and of course some roasted red peppers as well. These also add some amazing savory flavor to these Italian sandwiches. All right, so next we're gonna pop this bottom portion into the oven just to heat the meat and melt the cheese. Next, we're going to add that top portion of the Hawaiian rolls, and we're going to brush those with that garlic herb butter sauce. Make sure you get all the tops of the rolls, because this adds some really great savory garlic flavor. Next, we're going to sprinkle the top with some grated Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to pop these sliders back into the oven for about 10 minutes at 350. This will just help heat the bread through. And there we have it, some amazing Italian sliders, perfect for game day. I hope you love these. These are fantastic anytime you're in the mood for an Italian sandwich. Cheers!